What are you doing? You gotta be nice. You gotta be nice. You gotta be nice. You can't share your bone, baby? No. No, but you gotta be nice, baby. You gotta be nice. Dexter, you gotta be nice, baby. Yeah, you do. You gotta be nice. Yeah. Here we go again. Oh, Bruno, you can't eat your bone, can you? Bruno! Bruno. Don't touch my bone. Don't touch my bone. Bruno! I know, baby, I know. Don't go up to him and bully him. Oh, Dexter. Maybe I give Dexter a bone? Dexter, you want the bone? You want the bone, baby? Bruno, I think he wants a bone. Yeah, I think he wants a bone. You got your bone, huh? Yeah. Dexter, you want the bone? You want the bone? Okay.